Hi, this is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. In today's video of Custom QuickBooks Training, I want to talk to you about how to generate the profit and loss report in both QuickBooks Desktop and QuickBooks Online. What I'm trying to do is create a series that shows you how to perform common tasks in both QuickBooks Online and QuickBooks Desktop. I think this will be beneficial for people who are undecided, just to give them a sense of here's how it looks, and then really give you a chance to kind of experience using the software without the commitment of buying the software. So right now I'm using QuickBooks Desktop. You know that I'm in QuickBooks Desktop because it says so in the blue on the very top of my screen. But also there's telltale signs that I'm in a Windows program, such as the file in the upper left-hand corner. When you look at the QuickBooks Online, you're going to notice there's no file in the upper left-hand corner, and instead it's a web page. QuickBooks Online is a web page or internet-based program, whereas QuickBooks Desktop is a program that lives on your Windows computer. So I'm going to start by showing you how to generate the profit and loss in QuickBooks Desktop, and then I'll show it to you in QuickBooks Online. So to do this, I'm going to click on Reports at the top of my screen. I'm going to come down to Company and Financial, and then I'm going to go over to Profit and Loss Standard. When this generates, it's automatically defaulting this month to date. I'm just going to toggle and change my date range to all dates. I do want to let you know these are two separate sample files that I do different things with, so the totals and the chart of accounts won't be the same, but the concept I really want you to understand, that will be the same. So this is generating the profit and loss in QuickBooks Desktop. So here I've got some income, the different kinds of income, I have some expenses, and that's it. So very, very simple profit and loss, not a lot to talk about here. I want to show you how to generate that exact same report using QuickBooks Online. In QuickBooks Online, I'm going to go to the left-hand side of my screen where it says Reports. I'm going to find the profit and loss. It's right here. If I didn't see it here, it's also in the Business Overview. Any reports with the little green star to the right just get popped up into the Favorites box. So I'm going to click on Profit and Loss. I'm going to scroll up because I want to change my date range. My date range is in the upper left-hand corner. I'm just going to select all dates and say Run Report. So like I said, this is a different QuickBooks file. I have different data in here, but you can see the same thing. I've got income on the top, I have cost of goods in the middle, and I have expenses on the bottom. One of the things that you might find yourself doing with the profit and loss is comparing month over month, or maybe year over year. So I want you to see how to do that in QuickBooks. In the upper left-hand corner, I'm going to change the drop-down where it says Display Columns By. It currently says Totals Only. I'm going to say Months. And then I'm going to go to the right and say Run Report. So now I have my QuickBooks Profit and Loss month over month for QuickBooks Online. I'm going to show you the same thing in QuickBooks Desktop. So right now I'm in QuickBooks Desktop and it says Show Columns, Totals Only. I'm going to show you month, and then here it pulls it up by month. So that's your QuickBooks Desktop and QuickBooks Online. They both have the option to generate the profit and loss. In both cases you can display your columns by month, and in both cases you can export to Excel. I haven't done that, so I want to show you that now. On the right-hand side of my screen, I have this little piece of paper with an arrow flying out of it. If I click on that, I can say Export to Excel. It'll export this data to Excel. In QuickBooks Desktop, I have an Excel button at the top of my screen, and I can say Create New Worksheet. And in my case, I've got to do something, I don't know what, I haven't bothered to fix it, to make it create an Excel worksheet. I definitely have Excel, QuickBooks gets confused, and it will only generate a CSV. I hope this helps you get a sense of what the profit and loss looks like in both versions of the software. Just to reiterate, it's not that one is better than another. I just want you to be able to see what does it look like if I had this software versus if I had that software. If you have any questions about QuickBooks Desktop or QuickBooks Online, please don't hesitate to let me know. You can leave a comment just below this video, you can schedule an appointment with me, or you can send me an email. Thank you so much.